Welcome to your ultimate guide to Bitso, a powerful cryptocurrency platform designed to cater to both beginners and experienced traders. In this video, we'll walk through everything you need to know to navigate the platform and maximize its features. Bitso is known for its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and secure ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to get started or advance in crypto trading. First, we'll take a look at the homepage. Bitso's clean and intuitive layout makes it easy to access your wallet, browse market trends, or trade cryptocurrency in a few clicks. Once you log in, you'll land on your dashboard, which gives a clear overview of your assets, their values, and quick actions like deposits, withdrawals, and transfers. To deposit funds, click on the Deposit tab, choose your currency, fiat or crypto, and follow the instructions. Bitso supports local currencies for easier fiat to crypto conversions, ensuring a seamless process for users in supported regions. For those depositing cryptocurrency, Bitso generates a unique wallet address to transfer your assets securely. Next, let's explore trading. On the Trading tab, you'll find advanced tools for analyzing market trends, viewing live price charts, and executing trades. Whether you prefer market, limit, or stop orders, Bitso provides the flexibility needed for strategic trading. The platform also supports popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more, ensuring plenty of options for building a diversified portfolio. If you're interested in earning passive income, Bitso has a savings feature that allows users to earn competitive interest rates on selected cryptocurrencies. Simply transfer your eligible crypto to the savings section and watch your balance grow daily. Security is another major highlight of Bitso. The platform uses state-of-the-art encryption, cold storage, and two-factor authentication to protect user funds and data. Regular audits and compliance with regulations further ensure a secure trading environment. Before we continue, a quick note. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Returning to Bitso, we'll also explore features like instant transfers between users and robust customer support. If you ever face any issues, Bitso's support team is available 24/7 to assist. Don't miss out on the bonus for new users. Sign up using my special link https://lnk.do/jquucoif to claim your reward and start your crypto journey today. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest crypto tutorials and insights.